BMW 2002 became the icon of an entire generation of performance-oriented drivers. 4 seats, 2 doors, dynamic as well as practical. It combined the typical BMW virtues like no other. It was a family car and a sports car at the same time. In 1968, its first year of production, BMW sold around 29,000 units. 4 years later, sales had risen to an annual total of 60,000. 20% of these cars were delivered to customers in the USA. 100 horsepower, 940 kilograms, and a top speed of 170 kilometers an hour. It was a real powerhouse. The circular tail lights are among the 2002's most characteristic features. To distinguish it from the 4-door new class, BMW introduced the model designation 2002, the second 2 standing for the number of doors. It was the beginning of an impressive 02 model range. The 2002 was a favorite with drivers, and BMW sold around 440,000. The icing on the cake was that the unbelievable economic success was complemented by phenomenal racing successes, making the 2002 truly unforgettable.